How to fix the Windows 11 update error. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if you're getting this update error, here are some of the easy and the best solution. First of all, go to the services and open it. Now search for Windows update. You can just click on any and then search for Windows or type in W. After that, right click on Windows update and then go to its properties. From the startup type, make sure that automatic is selected. If not, scroll down and search for automatic, click on apply and then on OK. This should probably fix the issue. If not, let's move on to the next solution. So for that, you have to open Task Manager. Then after, click on Run New Task. Then you have to tap on Browse option. Then after, you have to select on this PC, Windows Drive C, and then go to Program Files. Now select Windows and then System 32-bit. After you go to System 32 folder, you have to search for CMD. Once you go to that, click on Open. Now add up -update and click on OK. This will open the command prompt and thereby you have to give the command gpupdate/force. Once this is done, your problem should be fixed. Similarly, for the next solution, you can go to Advanced Update options. Once you select on the search button and click on Advanced, it will give you for all the updates. Make sure to toggle on all the options for the updates. And these are the solutions for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.